Greetings, shalom, salam, buenos dias, buongiorno, bonjour. It is Saturday, January 6th, 2024. I completed Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series 57, 57, a couple of days ago. It is now has asymmetrical balance, a term I learned when I was in college. I think it was in a class on fundamentals of art. I forget who taught it. My sophomore year at Southern Illinois University at Carbondale. Asymmetrical balance, and certainly when I think of war, we have asymmetrical balance, kind of up the yin-yang, whoosh, gone completely bonkers. 2child victims of the current Israeli Hamas Gazan-Palestinian war. Jewish girl, Israeli girl on the left, Gazan boy on the right. You can read about them in the text description of my website. I'll also include that in the fit it in the video description. With the allegorical sea war monsters. The photograph I took on a road trip from Tel Aviv, or near Tel Aviv, to I think it was to the Dead Sea. We went near the West Bank. I actually have this sort of a slide I have came across the other day of slides I took on one of my Israel teaching trips, and this is what I added the other day. I found a plastic container which I had marked Israel 2005, and I assume what it was. There's a bunch more, but I kind of flattened it out and put it in and set it in this frame. Dried seaweed. I had gone swimming on a beach near Tel Aviv, 2005. All right, there we have it. And these things I had picked up on a walk in a park on a path. There were all these dozens and dozens of like jigsaw puzzle pieces, like slightly heavier than paper, not as heavy as